Winter storm Riley is slamming the East Coast right now with heavy rain and snow. More than 400,000 homes and businesses are without power from the mid-Atlantic to the Northeast. And in Massachusetts, evacuations were ordered from coastal areas.
Good morning. It's day one of this big swell that's coming through. I don't know if I'm gonna be surfing today. It might be huge, but we had this massive nor'easter come through last night. It wrecked a lot of things south of here. Maine, it wasn't that bad other than big swell. Now it's pushing off to sea and looks like we'll have probably 4 days of really big waves. So this is only the beginning, but thought I'd make it out to the beach to see what's going on. That's pretty. So, yeah, biggest waves I've ever seen in Maine for sure. We all got a little bit drenched there.
Well, drenched is an exaggeration.
Well, you'll see it, right?
Cold though. Now I'm freezing.
Yeah, but it's amazing.
So it's day 3 of this nor'easter swell, and I haven't been supping yet, so this is the first day where the wind hasn't absolutely been howling. You can see kind of behind me that it's not as windy out there, but I've been out on my regular board, so I haven't really taken that much video footage or photos. I just took my long lens out, but I'm gonna go out there and give it a whirl today. One of the tougher paddles that I've ever done on my stuff to get out. So I'm winded. Taking it easy. Hopefully I can catch one of these. They're not the tallest, but they're really long period swell, so if I can get on one, it's gonna be awesome. We'll see. Few waves. Really big ones out there, but I mainly got beat down. It was even hard just to get in. Woo. Made it in from surfing or stand-up paddleboarding. It was the first time I'd been out. So on the stand-up paddleboard in this storm, and woo! Caught a few waves, but I mainly got beat down. But it's been an awesome storm. It just massive waves, like the biggest waves I've ever seen on Saturday, which I'll show you some of that. You've probably seen in this video. But it's just still pumping in here. We got another nor'easter coming. It's supposed to bring a lot of snow, so maybe I'll make a little video about that, but just flew the Spark for the first time. It wasn't too bad. It was actually, you know, when I used the controller, it was way easier than trying to do it visually. So this little thing worked great. We'll have to see how the footage looks now. Now it's getting cold, so time to get home. I think we're gonna wrap up the storm vlog here. So we'll see you next time.